Hello guys and welcome to my channel. Today we are gonna review a dump shop, but before that let me answer a few questions. A lot of people ask on my comment section of my video that what is the difference between CVV and dumps. So today I'm gonna explain it. So CVV are basically info that you need to use to purchase anything online. For example, cardholder name, cardholder CC number, CVC code, and expiry date, and lot of other information that are required to purchase anything online. And dumps are actually code that are used to encode a physical card and which can be only used at the ATM. So without any further delay, let's get started. So the name of the website is dumpscvv.cc. So you can see it has redirected to login page and you can register here. So first I'm gonna register because I don't have any account in here. Okay, is written password, that confirm password doesn't match. Sorry, I have to retry again. Okay, so the registration is complete. As you can see, it has redirected me to the index page. So let me just click on the menu. Okay, nothing comes up. Okay, so I have to deposit. Here is the Bitcoin address and the QR code. So I will deposit and get back. Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So I have already deposited $70 worth of BTC. Now I will check the status of my account. So I will just log into the previous credential that I have used to register. Okay, so as you can see in the home page, my balance is 64.23, but I have deposited 70. I always deposit more the amount stated on the website because I know they calculate the BTC price less than the original price. So I will just go to the dumps page and check. Okay, so my account is already activated and here is the dumps and other pages. Thank you for watching the video. Stay tuned for new updates with many more review